So good morning dear students. We will start our class with cash book and bank column. Cash book with bank column. Today I will solve question number 11B. 11B. Practical question 11B. All of you will solve the question with me in your copies, in your notebook side by side, and you will see what entries are made. What entries are made. So first entry is December 1st, 2016, started business with cash 50,000 rupees. Started business with cash 50,000 rupees. So when business is started with cash, we write here first entry to capital 50,000 rupees. First entry to capital 50,000 rupees. All of you turn on your cameras. Everyone. Devang, Pooja, Jasanjeet, Prince, turn on your cameras, otherwise I will remove you from the class. First entry, started business with cash. Cash account debit to capital, journal entry. It will be posted on the receipt side to capital 50,000 rupees. Now, entry number 2. Paid into bank 29,000. Paid into bank 29,000. It is a contra entry. It is a contra entry. Paid into bank. Contra entries are recorded on both the sides. You see, on both sides I have written this entry to cash, this side amount in bank column, and by bank, this side amount in cash column. Amount in cash column. Money is going from the office and it is getting deposited in the bank. It is getting deposited in the bank. Second entry, very important, contra entry. Then number 3, received check from Raj. Received check from Raj. Just a minute, there is a call. Okay, beta, we resume again. Contra entry, okay. Sahiba. Sahiba is there. Where is Sahiba? Sahiba Ansari gone?
Yes, sir.
Contra entry, is it clear? Sahiba? Anjali? Contra entry means it should be recorded on both sides. I told you contra entry are those entries in which money is reducing and money is increasing. Same time, money is increasing in the bank. So we have written here to cash in the bank column 20,000. And this side we have from the office deducted 20,000. So it is called a contra entry, and we have to write C. C on both the sides. C denotes contra entry. Then received a check. from Raza and Company, and this check is deposited in the bank on the same date. This side we will write to Raza and Company account 800 rupees. 800 rupees. वहां पर देखिए डिस्काउंट भी लिखा हुआ है. But when we have received a check of 800, it means we have already given the discount. We have already given the discount. After giving discount, we received a check of 800 rupees. Then there is withdrew cash from bank for private use. This side. By drawings account. From bank we have withdrawn money, that is 240 rupees. 240 rupees. 240 rupees are withdrawn from bank for office use. Then received check from Kamla. Received check from Kamla, and see the next entry. Kamla's check endorsed to Bala. Yesterday I have told you one entry regarding this. Mahima, do you remember? Mahima, do you remember about the endorsement? I gave you two journal entries yesterday. About the endorsement, two journal entries I gave you yesterday. Mahima, what are the entries?
Sir, in this check and endorsement.
हाँ, कौन सी एंट्री थी बेटा वो बताइए. When check is received from, check is received 395 rupees का चेक रिसीव हुआ है from Kamla. So what should be the entry? क्या एंट्री होनी चाहिए? अब जनरल एंट्री होगी इसकी.
Check account will be debited.
Check in hand account debit to Kamla account. Note down, everybody note down. Check in hand account debit to Kamla account. This entry will not be recorded in the cash book. In the cash book, this entry will not be recorded. This entry will not be recorded in the cash book. Check in hand account debit to Kamla account. This will be our journal entry in this case. Everybody please note down. I will see afterwards whether you have done in the notebook or not. Check in hand account debit to Kamla account. Check in hand account debit to Kamla account. Harshit, are you writing?
Yeah.
Okay. Paid rent by check. Paid rent by check. How much? 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees. अब आ जाइए लास्ट एंट्री जिसके लिए हम आपको ये क्वेश्चन करा रहे हैं. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, द लास्ट एंट्री लिखा है डिपॉजिटेड इनटू बैंक बैलेंस in excess of 450. Deposited into bank balance in excess of 450. अब ये जो स्टेप्स हैं, इन स्टेप्स को बहुत अच्छी तरह देखेंगे सब जने. These steps are the most important one. In these steps you will see what you have to do is, everybody look here. First of all, you will total debit side cash column. In the debit side of cash column, we have 50,000 rupees. And same total we will write here, 50,000. We received 50,000 and we spent 20,000 out of it. We spent 20,000, we received 50,000. So Harshit, how much is left with us? One minute. This is a mistake here. Here it is 29,000. You are not telling. Deposited into bank is 29,000. So can you tell me? Anybody can tell me, Ansika?
21,000.
How much amount is left with us? 50,000 we have received, 29,000 we have paid in the bank. So how much is left with us?
21,000.
21,000.
21,000. Very good. So our answer should be 21,000 in normal case. But here, all of you pay attention. In the question it is written, we deposited in the bank full amount after retaining 450 rupees with us. Means हमने अपने पास सिर्फ 450 रुपीज रखे, बाकी जो बचे थे वो सारे बैंक में जमा कर दिए. Now we have total payment 29,000. We have made total payment 29,000. But we have to keep 450 with us. So it means we have deposited in the bank 20,550. हमारे पास 21,000 रुपीज बचे थे. उस 21,000 में से we have deposited how much? We have deposited
23,000.
20,000.
23,550.
Can you see? 20,550 is deposited in the bank. 20,550 out of 21,000 जो हमारे पास बचा था, 450 is retained in the office. 450 is retained in the office and 20,550 ये देखिए, इन दोनों को मिला के 21,000 ही हो जाएगा. This one. 450 is retained in the business. ये तो आंसर हो गया आपका. और ये one more entry will be done, क्योंकि पैसे जमा कर रहे हैं बैंक में. It will be contra entry to cash by bank once again and it will be 20,550. So 20,550 will be deposited in the bank. Last entry. This is very important. Please keep it in mind. This 20,550 आपकी जो एंट्री है लास्ट में, this will be of 1.5 marks. We have to calculate, we have to find the amount deposited in the bank. Nowhere in the question it is given how much is deposited in the bank at last. It is not given in the question. We have to find out. How we have to find out? I told you the step. First, total the debit side, cash book, cash column of debit. Then total payment side. So 50,000 debit side minus 29,000 credit side. we got balance 21,000. Out of that 21,000, in the question it is given retain 450 rupees in the bank, in the office, sorry. Retain का मतलब होता है keep back. Keep in the office 450 rupees and rest deposit in the bank. So rest is how much? 20,550. It is deposited in the bank. You see, last entry. 20,550 is deposited in the bank. Now, what we will do? We will do the total of bank column. Bank column total we will do. इस साइड का करेंगे हम पहले टोटल. $50,350. 50,350 is the total of debit side. Bilal, what is the total of credit side?
So credit side,
Yes.
1,240. 1,240.
1,240. And the debit side total is 50,350. So the balance will be how much?
49,110.
49,110. 49,110 is the total, and that is the balance. That is the balance in the where? Bank. That is our balance in the bank. Balance in the bank. Two answers we have got. You see, one is 450 rupees. This is our cash balance. This is our bank balance. Cash balance and bank balance. Very, very important concept, topic. This one is. Anybody want to ask any point in this? You can ask. This full question again इसी के जैसा क्वेश्चन बेटा आपका 11th A भी है. You can solve that question as homework tomorrow. This whole question is solved in front of you now. You can go through again and see what entries are done. We have not done the endorsement entry in this cash book. We have not done the entry for endorsement. As I told you yesterday, the entry is to be recorded in the cash in the journal. So दो journal entry होंगी उसकी. Kamla's check which is endorsed, check received from Kamla. So जो check received हुआ है, that you will do in the journal. Check in hand account debit to Kamla. और फिर किसको endorse कर दिया हमने? Bala. We endorsed the check to Bala. So we will write Bala account debit to check in hand. These two entries done. Anybody having any problem? You want to ask? Ansika, it is clear?
Yes.
The whole question and the journal entry. If it is clear, please raise your hands. Everyone, to those it is clear, please raise your hands. You have to be regular. First thing is you have to be regular every day to understand things. If you are missing the classes, then it will not be in sequence. Then you will not be able to do it. It is for sure. So you have to be very, very regular. Jason, take the pic. Proper. Okay. Revise the question and also Other questions in the book, do it. Also get your notebooks checked fast, okay? Because very soon your notebooks will be checked. Next month you have exam. In the second week, from the second week of September, you will have half yearly exam. So please be ready for it. Be ready for it. Don't just relax. Don't just relax. Keep yourself ready for the exam. Also, get your notebooks checked. Keep your work updated. Keep your work updated. And inform the students to be regular in the class. Thank you. God bless all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.